Welcome to CCN TV News, your premier source for local and international news. From the streets of Kingston to the capitals of the world, we are ready to cover you stories that shape our world. Stay tuned for breaking news. In a quiet corner of Jamaica, a movement is rising, not driven by politics or power, but by flour, fire, and an enormous heart. His name is JBud the baker, and while he may be best known for his baking skills, he is quickly earning national respect for something far more deeper: his mission to uplift and empower his community. With over 43,000 YouTube subscribers and counting, JBud is proving that you don't need a million followers to make a real impact. His channel isn't just about mixing dough and icing cakes or even gizzarda. It's a digital stage for a story of resilience, generosity, and community transformation. Before the cameras and recognition, JBud was simply a man with a gift, the gift of baking. What started in a small kitchen became something much larger than himself. While his pastries and treats were enough to keep customers coming back, it was the way he treated people that truly set him apart. He often gave food to those who couldn't afford it. At first, it was a quiet act of kindness: a slice of bread to a hungry child, a loaf to a struggling mother. But JBud's spirit couldn't stay small. His calling grew, and so did his ambition to use baking as a form of service. JBud's YouTube channel is a window into a life of service. His videos are raw, heartfelt, and grounded in real community needs. In his Christmas series, This Is How I Start My Christmas Giveback, he begins preparation weeks in advance to deliver home-cooked meals to elderly residents and vulnerable families. It's not just a one-off event. It's a full campaign of logistics, labor, and love. He purchases ingredients from his own pocket, and also his subscribers give him money. He wakes up before dawn and often delivers the meals personally. He doesn't just show food being made, he shows lives being touched. An elderly woman's face lights up as she opens the door to a warm meal. Children squeal in joy when they receive not just a snack, but also attention and affection. These aren't just YouTube views, these are victories. Every August, JBud hosts a back-to-school treat for children in his community, and it's more than just a giveaway. It's an experience. In one of his most powerful uploads, he sets up tents, speakers, and games, creating a carnival-like atmosphere. He hands out backpacks filled with school supplies, snacks, and hygiene kits, ensuring that no child feels forgotten when school begins. Some kids leave with shoes, others leave with stories they'll never forget. His philosophy is simple: if I can take the weight off one person's shoulder, that's one less child suffering. What makes JBud's mission truly special is its consistency. His givebacks aren't seasonal, they're habitual. Whether it's distributing food to the homeless, visiting the sick, or helping someone rebuild a damaged home, his channel documents the unglamorous reality of daily compassion. He once shared a video where he bought groceries for a struggling family. Another shows him making and delivering baked goods to hospital staff working long shifts. These are not just viral stunts, they are authentic moments of humanity. His mantra is clear: don't wait for Christmas to give love. It's just the beginning. Through his work, JBud is building something more lasting: community trust and resilience. He's become a mentor for young men in his area, many of whom were at risk of drifting into crime or hopelessness. By teaching them baking, entrepreneurship, and discipline, he's offering not just a trade, but a way out. He bakes bread, but he's really building futures. One young man in his video says, "Before this, I didn't know what I was going to do. Now I feel like I have a skill and a purpose." Despite the growing audience and admiration, the journey hasn't been easy. JBud has faced financial setbacks and community skepticism. In several of his vlogs, he speaks candidly about burnout and the emotional toll of trying to help others when you're also struggling. But even in those vulnerable moments, he finds strength in faith and purpose. "Sometimes I bake with tears in my eyes," he says, "but when I see someone smile because of something I made, that's all the healing I need." JBud's community isn't limited to his town. His subscribers, many from the Jamaican diaspora, the US and the UK and Canada, have become active supporters. Some donate money, others send supplies, and many share his videos to raise awareness. When I see people overseas sending support, it reminds me that kindness is a global language, he says. Through Patreon, Cash App, and even old school letters, people are contributing to his cause. And with every contribution, JBud stretches the dollar further to feed more mouths, uplift more spirits, and expand his reach. In an era dominated by clout chasing and online drama, JBud is refreshing proof that impact beats influence. He's not a celebrity, but he's a star in his community. Not a politician, but he's leading a quiet revolution, powered by generosity, love, and big goods. He reminds us that you don't have to wait to be rich to start giving. You don't need a title to lead. You don't need a title to lead. And you certainly don't need perfect circumstances to become someone's blessing. Whether he's cooking, baking, JBud proves that the simplest acts, when done with love, can have the biggest impact. So the next time you watch his video, don't just like or comment. Let it move you. Let it inspire you. Let it remind you that everyone has something to give. And maybe, just maybe, the world would be a little better if we all tried to be a bit more like JBud the baker. Thank you for watching. If this story inspired you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.